Alright guys, this video contains 30 anatomy questions and answers for beginners. Let us know how many of these questions you are able to answer in the comment section. 1. Tendon is a type of. Answer D. Tissue. Kidney is an organ of. Answer B. Excretion. Flexion in anatomy means. Answer A. Bending. Diastole means the heart is. Answer B. Relaxing. Sweat glands help in. Answer D. Cooling. Liver is the largest. Answer B. Gland. Anterior in anatomy also means. Answer C. Ventral. Blood pressure is highest in. Answer A. Arteries. Skin is part of. Answer B. Integumentary system. The heart is located in the. Answer A. Thorax. Skull protects the. Answer B. Brain. Longest bone in the body is. Answer D. Femur. Vertebral column protects the. Answer A. Spinal cord. Abduction means moving a body part. Answer B. Away from the body. Adduction means moving a body part. Answer B. Towards the body. Posterior means. Answer B. Back. Medial means closer to the. Answer B. Middle or midline of the body. Proximal means closer to the. Answer A. Point of attachment. Muscles help the body to. Answer A. Move. The trachea is also called the. Answer B. Windpipe. Insulin is produced by. Answer C. Pancreas. Bile is produced by. Answer A. Liver. The diaphragm helps in. Answer A. Breathing. Heart is made of. Answer A. Muscle. Tonsils are part of. Answer C. Immunity. The largest component of blood is. Answer D. Plasma. The ulna is found in the. Answer A. Forearm. The eye socket is also called the. Answer A. Orbit. Collarbone is called. Answer B. Clavicle. Coccyx is termed. Answer A. Tailbone. How many of these simple questions were you able to answer? Let us know in the comment section.